Grow a healthy green lawn with the range of Yates Dynamic Lifter Lawn Foods. Yates Dynamic Lifter Organic Lawn Food and Soil Improver Granules are a 4-in-1 blend of chicken manure, blood and bone, seaweed and fish meal. It's approved for use in organic gardening and promotes soil improvement and healthy lawn growth. To supercharge your lawn, try Yates Dynamic Lifter Concentrated Lawn Food and Soil Improver Granules. They have the dual benefits of fast-acting nutrients for quick visible results and chicken manure for slow-release feeding and lawn health. Plus, the concentrated formula means you'll feed more lawn using less than Yates Dynamic Lifter Organic Lawn Food. For an easy way to apply Yates Dynamic Lifter Lawn Food, use the Click and Grow Garden Care System. Yates Dynamic Lifter Lawn Foods are ideal for feeding all common lawns, including buffalo. To use Yates Dynamic Lifter Lawn Foods, measure your lawn first so you'll know how much to apply. For established lawns, apply over the lawn. For new lawns, apply over the soil before sowing seed or laying turf. Don't apply in hot weather or if the lawn is moisture stressed. For complete application instructions, look at the back of the packs. For a green lawn and healthy soil, use Yates Dynamic Lifter Lawn Foods.